This is the gold refining workshop. Let's take a look at the overall equipment. There are 4 reactors above. 2 molten gold. 2 restored devices. This side is made of PPH. It's the wastewater treatment. Let's take a look at the whole picture. The lower filter disc. If there is one who wants to be bigger or smaller, there are all kinds of models. This is the sink for washing hands. A mop washing place. Any shape you want can satisfy you. Let's take a look at the whole picture. This is also through the vacuum. Go. The liquid is also transferred through vacuum. The lid can also be made into various shapes, according to your needs. Let's go up and have a look. Two molten gold. Two molten gold. Two restores. Then this is wastewater. Wastewater stored separately. The gold here is easily 80 to 90 kilograms a day. It's all vacuum technology. All of them use vacuum technology to transfer liquid up and down. Very convenient.
Словно солнце без тепла.